Hello, my name's Alyssa, and this is my final portfolio site at alyssaeharris.com. First, I'm going to show you my home page. So I have my personal logo up in the top left corner. I've also created this slider element. When you first come to the page, it gives you a little welcome blurb, and then it goes on to display my two favorite projects that are featured on the site, and each page of the slider links to my design portfolio here. I also chose to do smaller thumbnail type images rather than putting the image as the entire background for the slider box because it makes the text a lot more legible, and since the two projects I've displayed are the same dimensions, it makes it super clean and consistent. So one of the things I find most marketable about myself in the eyes of employers is my variety of skills. So although I can do graphic design and I enjoy graphic design, I have other abilities to contribute as well. So I added these little icons describing my other abilities so that the user can see that I do more than just design. At the bottom I added a contact me call to action and changed it to the color of my personal logo to tie the whole page together. Next I have my blog page. It shows my 10 most recent blog posts. And I edited the settings so that it just shows a blurb of each blog and gives the user the option to click to read more if they'd like, rather than displaying each whole blog post. I'd also like to take a minute to point out my sidebar, which shows a subscription box, an Instagram box, which is grabbing images from my personal Instagram page, and a photo and about me box. On my contact page, users have the option to fill in their name, fill in their email address, and fill in a message to send to me. On my design page, I've posted a various amount of projects that I've completed in numerous classes over the course of this semester, and I've given each project a featured image. Again, users have the option to click each image to read more about the project. Lastly, I have my featured page, which right now only shows my infographic resume, firstly because I want it to be easy for employers to find, and also because I want to be really picky about what shows up on this page, and my infographic project was by far my favorite project, and also the project that I feel I did my best work on. So you can see the completed blog post here. The project that I struggled the most with, and I think mostly because I was overthinking it at the beginning, but I did end up liking my final outcome, was the personal brand project, which can be seen here. So I will be graduating this semester, aka tomorrow, and going on to be a graphic designer in Boise, Idaho, for a company called Tideline Design. Obviously, I will be employing my visual media skills in this position and with personal side projects in the future as well. So I hope you like my portfolio. Thanks!